So welcome to week 3 of ITCE 3200. This week we're going to be continuing to learn about the personal brand assignment. So remember I introduced that last week and it has 2 parts to it. An elevator pitch, which you need to organize and include the content that I talked about in week 2. And then when you deliver the pitch, when you speak the pitch, record it, you're going to have to use good communication skills. And some of those communication skills will be nonverbal, and some of them will be verbal. The other part of the assignment is to build, of the personal brand assignment, is to create a LinkedIn profile. And last week's slides, week 2, showed you how to do some of the requirements for the LinkedIn profile. And I said that we'd talk about the about summaries and clear communication this week. That's what we're going to be covering. So what are communication skills? Well, these are just some things that might come to mind when we think about communication skills. But in class, we'll talk about maybe some other ones, things that we do to ensure that our message is understood by this person by our audience, and also to demonstrate that we understand what somebody's trying to tell us. So let's start with nonverbal communication skills. I encourage you to click this link and you'll go to a hotspots activity to learn a little bit about some types of nonverbal communication that are evident in this photo. So even just a still photo, we're getting nonverbal communication from these 2 people. You can also read more if you prefer to read instead of clicking over and seeing things, just to read more detailed descriptions by clicking here. One thing to remember about nonverbal communication is it's contextual. And what that means is that something that you do that's a nonverbal technique can mean something in one situation, but can mean something completely different in another situation. So I've got a little explanation of that down here in the slides, and it's about glasses and me specifically. So take a look, pause the slides, and read that. These are some other nonverbal communication styles or things that we might do beyond the ones that are in the hotspots activity. So take a moment and read through these and think about how they can maybe be applied in your elevator pitch, whether you're recording your pitch using something like Screencast-O-Matic, or you're actually going to record yourself delivering your pitch with your phone. In class, I'm going to pause here and watch this video because this person is a superstar, and I think you'll really enjoy watching his speech, and you'll learn some great skills from him. I'm going to end the video with this slide where I want you to, actually the next slide, slide 11, where I want you to take a moment to record yourself with your phone. Stand in the bathroom in front of your mirror. So record yourself with your phone delivering your elevator pitch. And then watch yourself and complete this chart to give yourself some personal feedback on how you can improve your delivery of your elevator pitch just by your body language and some of the techniques and strategies that have been listed in the slides. Keep this in mind.